Is it possible to break a 20-year-old habit? Elective smoking sounds impossible, right? Let's talk today about a patient, a brilliant creative strategist. His mind was always buzzing, camping ideas, client meetings, deadline. In between all the brainstorming and pressure, he picked up smoking, just casually to take the edge off. But as the workload increased, so the cigarettes. From once in a while to every few hours. And before he knew it, it wasn't a choice anymore. It was a habit. And then the effect begins to show. Persistent cough, breathlessness while climbing stairs, fatigue that never really went away, tightness in the chest, like his body was begging him to stop. And a thought crossed his mind. Is this only way I know how to breathe through stress? He tried everything. Nicotine patches, chewing gums, deep breathing, even keeping himself distracted at work. He would last few days, sometimes a week, but the cravings always came back stronger. He wanted to quit, but he did not know how to stay quit. That's when he reached out to Jagruti Rehabilitation Center, not just to quit smoking, but to understand why he kept going to it. When his real recovery began with Jagruti step-by-step approach. The first step, understanding the root. At Jagruti, team focused on more than just nicotine withdrawal. They worked on breaking the emotional and behavior pattern that fed the addiction. Next, he was enrolled in a personalized rehabilitation program, which combined structured routines, stress management techniques, daily check-ins. Each day had a purpose, not a pressure. Medications were involved only when needed. To manage withdrawal symptoms and ease craving safely, therapy became the heart of his recovery. One-on-one cognitive behavior therapy to unlearn toxic coping mechanism. Group sessions where he connected with others on the same journey and guided mindfulness practice to anchor him in the present. Today, he's been smoke-free for over 6 months. The habit that once controlled him no longer holds power. What changed? He chose healing and stuck with it. Thank you.